Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 GMC Sierra Denali Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7351X. 57,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new, Onyx Black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior, split seat bottoms, flip up for additional cargo space, rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors for additional safety, heavy duty trailering package, easy lift tailgate, spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof, integrated trailer brake control, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large easy to read gate with driver information system. This here has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated and cooled front seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. All the power outlets you'll need. Lots of storage space. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof. And rear sliding window control. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8. 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7351X to 66244.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.